Where's baby gonna go?
Where's baby gonna go again? Look what I can do, Mommy.
I see. Looks good. What are you doing, Tessa?
Baby, thank you to Grandpa.
What?
Baby, my food.
Baby what?
Say thank you to Grandpa God.
Okay.
I want to see the video.
Right now I'm seeing what Tessa's doing with her baby. What are you doing with your baby, Tessa?
Mama.
What are you doing with the baby? Oh, baby's crying. Better feed the baby. Baby done? Uh-oh, baby's crying again. I think you didn't feed baby enough. Gotta feed baby a little more. Go. Don't push. Get your finger in the way, sweetie. Uh-oh, baby's crying some more.
Oh, camera. Oh,
Cut it out.
Oh, camera.
You can take the next video. Does baby feel better now?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Baby, let's